Hey everyone. So I wanted to do this voiceover because I shot this video 2 days prior to seeing this post that Estee Lauder, under the Clinique brand, has donated 50,000 skincare and beauty products to nurses and doctors in New York City hospitals. This is absolutely huge. There was a nurse that actually reached out to them because she wanted to put self-care packages together for the medical professionals who are fighting against this deadly virus. They're the ones on the front lines. Self-care and self-love is vitally important right now. And you all know that this is my number one favorite brand. So I am so obliged to do this video with even more excitement, knowing that they have stepped out of themselves to care about us and not about the dollar. And that's why it's important for us to lock arms with companies that have huge morals. And Estee Lauder is one of them. If she was alive today, I'm sure she would be so proud to know that her company is doing something like this. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Seankbeauty, and this is Seank's Beauty Bar, where we grab from the bar and discuss all things beauty. Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Makeup Monday, and welcome to what's going to be a really huge haul. So a lot of you have been asking me to do this haul, and I did a poll some time ago, and yes, almost 98% of you said you wanted to see a huge haul from me with my Estee Lauder products. Okay, so here's the disclaimer. I have like 30 or more products, so I'm not gonna show you all of them, but I will show you from skincare to makeup, and you can make your best informed decision whether or not you want to purchase any of these products, okay? So this is not pushing products on you. This is just letting you know my experiences with them and if you want to try them. So let's get right into this. All right, so here is one of the first products that I absolutely love. This is a skincare product. You guys have seen me use this in a previous video, and that is the Estee Lauder Super Nutritious Pomegranate line. This has the foam cleanser. It has the toner as well as the night mask in it. Some of the products I actually keep in the refrigerator because I have my heat going a lot and I don't want to compromise the integrity of product with my place being super duper hot, especially in the nighttime because I get really cold. So this retails for about $35. I don't know if they have this anymore. However, a key tip with purchasing Estee Lauder products, you all know I don't really do e-counters. I do the Estee Lauder online. I sign up for their e-list. You get a lot of perks with that. They send you birthday gifts with their Advanced Night Repair Serum, as well as their Revitalizing Supreme. I've gotten that a couple of times as my birthday gift. They actually are on top cash back. I get 10% cash back every time I purchase. So again, I really increase my buying experience with Estee Lauder, going different routes so that I can really maximize. And a lot of the times I wait until they have the perk of get 6 free things before I start purchasing. The reason why I really love Estee Lauder, and I mentioned in a previous video, it's very important that we start to lock arms with companies that have really great morals, really great codes of ethics, that care about people and their consumer. And what I can say about Estee Lauder is she was, one of those women that was a pioneer of her time with cosmetics, starting this company and establishing it in 1946, really all about going into parlors and really pushing her product to make women feel beautiful. One of her key quotes is, if it doesn't sell, there's nothing wrong with the product, there's something wrong with you, okay? So when I read that quote, I was like, oh, so definitely was really passionate about her line and what her line can give to the consumer and the experience that she wanted you to have with her products, especially with giving you a free gift. That's what I really love about the Estee Lauder brand. Now, I would also say they're a sustainable company that's all about the quality of touch. So it's not just, yes, I know we pay for aesthetics, but it's good to know that you're getting aesthetics and you're getting quality. And when you're going into the luxury world, what are you really expecting to pay? When we think luxury and high end, you're gonna pay a premium. If you don't wanna do that, then I definitely say go drugstore. That's just my quick tidbit there. Not that I have anything against the drugstore. I use these drugstore products all the time. But when I found a brand that I really love, I kind of stay with it because it works for me. And this, you all talk about my skin a lot, and I will tell you I attribute a lot of it to consistently using these skincare products, because you have to keep up with your skincare. So that's that with this line. I would also say, now this doesn't come in the nutritious kit, but it is the eye jelly, and I love this. Also, I keep this in the refrigerator. I'll show you guys my little Estee Lauder saucer of eye creams and face creams and eye masks. I actually keep these in the refrigerator. And then moving on to the Advanced Night Repair, and this is the eye mask. These have hyaluronic acid in them. They really bring in a lot of moisture to the eyes. You can use this multiple times. You know, just put it back in, make sure your face is clean when you put them on. When you take them off, just put them back in. These, however, are brand new. I will leave the prices to all of these down below. The eye jelly I tend to use in the mornings because, you know, outside of you putting it in the refrigerator, it is really cooling under the eye and really does help to minimize puffiness and the appearance of fine lines. So I really love that. The next product I'm going to talk about is the Revitalizing Supreme line. And this is still, it's a little bit wet because, again, I keep these in the refrigerator. This is the Revitalizing Supreme Moisture Cream. This has a heavier consistency, definitely advanced anti-aging product. So if you want to go after the line, you can. I think I have this and the eye cream, and I use this at night. I use that along with the Advanced Night Repair Serum. I tend to buy my Estee Lauder in kits so that I can get more products for $35 or, you know, whatever amount of dollars, because I get more bang for my buck. And when I was traveling a ton, now that we have to stay inside, the minis work best for me because I don't check my bags. So that's just a quick tidbit there. This was actually a free gift, and this pencil I love a ton. This is the lip pencil in Nude, and then there's Rebellious Rose on the inside, the lipstick. Estee Lauder, their lipsticks are like a dream going on. Their satins are very, very creamy. They last a very long time, and if you're gonna put on like a lip gloss on top, it's just amazing. Okay, so this next product is also a skincare product. This is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Concentrate, also in mini form. It has an applicator that's more like a glass applicator that has like a ball on the end, if you guys can see that, and you just use a little bit under the eyes. I use this in the day, in the night. I also use my Advanced Night Repair also in the daytime too, under my makeup. The best way to really get clear, beautiful skin and a seamless application is to have really good skincare products working for you under your makeup. And that's what these products absolutely does for me. Okay, so this next product is the Estee Lauder Day Wear Eye, and this is more like a gel cream formulation. I definitely use this in the daytime, as it says day wear, and you can use this with the actual day wear moisturizer, which I really love too. Now they have SPF in their products, but I remember I mentioned you really have to get a considerable amount of SPF onto the skin, and in these products they're very minimal. You want to make sure that you're using an SPF by itself at a nickel size amount that you can distribute over the face and neck and décolleté, and you're not going to get that from products that say that they have SPF in it. That's just my truth there. I have more than 30 products from Estee Lauder, so I'm not gonna show all 30 on this haul. So if you have questions about a specific product, definitely leave it down below. I would tell you the product lines that I don't have is the advanced anti-aging lines, like Renutrieve. I know that's new for them, so I don't have those products. I tend to kind of stay within the realm of the Super Pomegranate Nutritious, the Revitalizing Supreme, the Day Wear, the Advanced Night Repairs. That's kind of like my world on the Estee Lauder website. So any questions about those, I could definitely answer for you. So that is all of my skincare that I wanted to show you all. Now let's get into makeup. It is time for makeup. All right, so here's the thing. I was looking for my Inescapable 126. Here's a picture of it from the Estee Lauder website. That is a color that you all always ask me about from previous videos. What color is that lipstick you're wearing? It is the Inescapable by Estee Lauder. I have a ton of their lip liners as well. I will show you one of the lipsticks that is absolutely beautiful. Every woman must have a red. And this one, you've seen I wore this a ton. This is from the Pure Love line, and this is Blase Bluff. This is from Estee Lauder. I used this in a previous video. It's just this beautiful nude shade. It's ergonomic. I love the little angle. It reminds me of YSL. And look at the packaging. Packaging is everything. It is so, and it's quality product. Okay, moving on into the Sumptuous Mascara. I got this as a free gift. I really love this. This is about my second or third one already. I also have the brow gel from them as well. Love, love, love this mascara. Separates out the hairs. Really helps me to prep my lashes before I put on falsies. And I know you all were asking me about the falsies I had on my previous video. This is from Chandelier Lashes, and this is in the style Lady Sarah. So a dramatic, but very wispy lash. So that's what I have on. So yes, I really love this. It does bring drama. You just have to coat it underneath the bottom lash line. I bought a kit for my supervisor. She fell in love with this, and her lashes look like they were just like falsies she had on. So moving on, we're gonna go into foundation. I mentioned this in my previous video. It is the Estee Lauder Double Wear. This is the Nude Fresh formulation, so more water-based, very hydrating. And this is the Double Wear, the original Double Wear foundation, and this one stays in place all day, 24 hours. I really, really love this. I'm in the shade Saddlewood with both of them. Now going into highlighters. This is from the Bronze Goddess line. Again, packaging is amazing. And this is the shade Mirage that I have, a beautiful rose gold. You all can see that I have used this a ton. And then this shade is Heat Wave. It's more golden, and I love both of them. I actually have on Mirage right now as my highlighter. It gives you like this natural glow from within, and I mentioned that in a previous video, and that's why I really love this. So the next product is the Bronze Goddess from Estee Lauder, and this is the eyeshadow palette. I love this. I love this. I love the colors. I love the color scheme. That orange in the middle is my jam. I do love the shimmers in this. This color right here, you guys have seen me use in my video that I did in Cleveland. Absolutely giving me quality. Look at the packaging. This would look so good on your boudoir, or, you know, on your makeup counter or makeup shelf. It's just really aesthetically pleasing to the eye, and it really does give me quality. I love them. I can do a tutorial if you guys want me to do it using that eyeshadow palette. I'll be happy and much obliged to do that. All right, so this next product is the Stay in Place Double Wear Concealer. I'm wearing the shade Medium Deep. I also do have that on. I really love this when I want just a little bit of highlight to the eye. In fact, if you use a lot of this, you'll get a lot of highlight to the eye. This retails for about $29. And again, just makeup that stays in place for 24 hours. And this is more silicone based, so it works beautifully with the double wear. This one works really well. They work beautifully, synergistically well together. You all know that I'm a huge proponent of using products in a line. The next thing that I really wanted to show you all is the packaging that comes with your products. Okay, you can opt for a gift box, and they can write little notes to your friends, family, even to yourself if you want the gift box. And I really do love when I get this in the mail, because it does make me feel special and beautiful, and especially in these times that we're in. The great thing about these boxes is you can use them to put flowers in and do a DIY with white flowers. You can use this aesthetically to decor in your closet, which I do. You've seen this in previous videos. You know, all of the great accomplishments of this company, and they own, I guess, like 30 or more companies, MAC being one of them, Clinique is another one, just to name a few. But the list goes on, and they want to give their customers, you know, this really luxury quality experience. And I love the perk of giving free gifts. That was something Estee Lauder was a huge proponent of, is giving free gifts. And there's something with giving. There's a formula that goes along with giving that goes a very long way, because it does come back to you. This is not a company that's out here, you know, just grabbing all sorts of influencers to push their products. I don't even see them doing that. They are literally saying, listen, we want you to experience the product, and then word of mouth is just going to be what it is. And that's what I feel. Now, if you can correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yes, I'm a huge proponent of Estee Lauder. Yes, I'm diehard and probably won't step out of their line completely. I will try other lines and then probably rebound right back to this one, because it does work for me, and I do get really great experiences with their product. Oh, before I go, I do want to show you this palette though, because this is a really great palette from Estee Lauder. This is the Goddess Glow. I did show this in a previous video, and this gives you some really amazing shimmers. Can you guys see that? It's still pretty new, because I've been working through palettes that I have, which is only like 5 palettes. I don't really have a lot. You know, everybody's like, I'm decluttering my 50 palettes. Yeah, I don't have that. Well, if you have any questions about any of these products that I showed in this huge haul, definitely leave your questions down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you may have. I love you all so much. Be fabulous, be kind to yourself and to one another, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao for now.